You give me nothing fi put down, me no owe you. You give me nothing fi put down, me no owe you. Georgetown, Guyana, Georgetown.
Good morning, gentle people. It's bird bush season. It's August 20th, 2016, and it's a traditional thing where we shoot every year. Licensed firearm, license to kill, you know? It's a thing that we do back home.
You turn up your foot like that. You cut your finger, you know. Don't ramp with it.
Chop off here, you go on. Let it go.
You hear out? You hear out?
But if I spray all my head, I'm going to sit and bite me in my head.
They move on the bird.
There's so much to go on.
What a stank of buy one the other one. Well, I said, you ever done it blood?
Yeah, I always done it, blood.
So don't out it.
One bird dead. Hello.
Faz para a não boy.
Keep moving.
Instead of telling us English, one of them good. I cannot believe it.
And I know you, Montana. Daddy, hold this. Hold on, Tiana.
Tiana, come and knock him out with the gun.
Tiana, drop snap bag. Don't drop him in now.
You have a choke what he like.
You knock him out? See him there?
My dad.
Go, Sama.
I want to plant one of the
Go and carry away your father. You want to go on, boy?
See him there. We got Right, Tessa. Catch me, I try to catch a bird there now. They shooting over there. Tiana! So yeah, trying to catch that bird over there, but the freaking bird keep on moving. Bird just fly over me and then I'm gonna try to shoot. So we gotta stay low. In case like they fire over your head. They don't shoot low. We try not to shoot low. Hold on. Caught him. See him right there? Yeah. Take that.
Come on, you have to talk who's faster. That's our book. Right? Yeah, where you there?
Right hand to go on with you.
Try go and go to each other. Never, yeah. Come on, Papa. Jana.
Zeke, I can't shoot you.
Shh.
I hate that.
Take mine off a table, look.
Come. Jana, deep one.
Come.
Don't put the
Yeah,
phone
bird
safe.
will pick up. Come.
Don't
You ain't
put the
drop?
phone safe.
Mm-hmm.
Is the phone safe?
No, no. Well, I'm saving it. Yeah.
Woo!
Overhead, overhead. Overhead, Jama.
Me get him, me have him.
You ready?
Dead guys. Get shot. Probably got shot in his back. But him dead. Daddy, where bag? My face is oily because I have on off spray. Because these mosquitoes out here is fucking crazy. And I'm like, what the fuck? Look. It's like 20 people out here shooting alongside my family. Too much trust mosquito. But yeah, you can see me. Yeah, I have on off on my face. I have on off on my face so I don't get bit. But yeah. Bird Bush 2016. Back again, these come in different sizes and different colors. These are just a 7.5 to 1/8 ounces. These are like for birds. People to kill people, they use different ones like red, they come in green. It depends on the ounces, like how heavy you know you want it. Don't worry guys, these birds are made to shoot every year. It's a season that we always have, so before we say, oh, this is animal cruelty and blah blah blah. Yeah, look. The bird not dead. Think him dead now? 1 gun. 2 gun. Yeah. Yeah, bird bush are going good. I'll check back in with you guys later. Probably with the amount of birds that we shoot, or maybe my uncle shooting or something, but I'll let you guys know.
You were sitting here all along?
Yeah.
So why didn't you go and pee the birds then? You think you came here for your pretty looks? Hey?
Pretty look.
Hey, your pretty looks? You gonna carry it through?
Let me see. How much of them left?
Oh, 7.
And they look like so much. Oh. One of them did live, knock him out.
Yeah, some of them live.
What kind of bird them there?
These are peanuts.
Or should I think?
Yo, fuck, sorry. Put him in the bag. Oh.
No, neighbor.
I'm gonna put him down.
Me, she don't want Charlie Brown did it. I say Charlie, give me shit now, man.
Yes, yes.
And Charlie said no, I have to wait till we beat. I'm say drink a beer.
Yeah. And then we
Oh,
get
no.
it, Tommy.
Yeah.
Pepe, you never see one.
Hey, Charlie Brown not that nothing. Boy, man, like venom, you know.
Yeah, man.
Charlie,
Hey, Charlie Brown, wicked up.
Hey, Charlie Brown,
What's up, man? Them over so with lyrics, you know,
yeah,
man.
man, Charlie Brown like venom, man. You see a feather not full of chat, you know. But when feather lick hard.
Yeah, man.
When feather, yeah, man, feather lick so one love, man. It lick
Not like Charlie
hard.
Brown, not like Charlie Brown.
When feather love before lick, you know. And when he lick,
Whenever I hear it, old man.
New level, you know. You not have to be my friend, nah. Me not have to be.